Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the dining room, we are getting rid of my COVID-19 Afro mullet to a certain extent. I have not cut my hair since then. I had no intentions to, but it's getting hot out and I'm dying. My barber has opened back up, but he has these respectable, understandable, crazy policies that I rather not partake in.
Not crazy.
It's not enjoyable. How about that? So if it's not enjoyable, I don't want to do it.
So there's a big difference between crazy and not enjoyable.
This isn't any better.
You're in the comfort of my lovely dining room, our lovely dining room, farmhouse chic, and I'm going to make you feel all sorts of amazing after today. And you're going to be so excited that you came. I even got you your favorite colors, an American flag.
This is one
cape.
haircut. Do you remember that? Do you think I'm going to let her cut my hair permanently?
I just have a feeling that you are just going to love.
This is the most expensive haircut I'm ever going to get.
You're going to love coming to this dining room for haircuts after this.
This is a terrible trend.
Growing up, my grandfather used to cut all the boys' hair. And he wasn't a barber. He just did it on the side.
My mother used to cut my hair too growing up. We had simple haircuts. Now it's complicated.
Just think of all the ways we could save money moving forward. Don't you look so cute? I love it. Now, I do want to preface, although it seems like I am very professional with the cape and many of the accessories you're going to see today.
Should our thumbnail be like this? Lee holding the thing like this?
I love it. Very nice.
That should be our thumbnail?
I think the gentleman on the cape almost looks slightly like you.
All right, that'll be our thumbnail then.
Okay.
Cut the camera. You gotta take a picture of me.
Okay. So before we begin, although, as I was saying before, it may seem like with all my professional tools, like I've done this before, I have, trimmed his ears or a little bit on his neck.
Did you turn the microphone?
But I have never before, just making sure all my accessories are on, I have never before trimmed his hair. And I will say, I'm not quite sure if I would try this at home. And I want to say that I am not a professional. So keep all judgment and comments to oneself, because I do believe that no matter how today turns out, it's got to be better than what we're seeing right now. So fingers crossed, keep those toes crossed, fingers crossed, eyes crossed, whatever you can cross, and wish me luck.
This is like a 50-50, because remember she did the hedges in the front of the house with the Cobalt 40 volt battery powered ones?
And we didn't know how that would turn out.
Wait, what are you using?
Here's what we're gonna need to do for this process.
How about let's talk strategy?
How about we put a blindfold on you?
Absolutely not. Strategy is shave the sides, trim, and don't touch the top. Shave the sides.
I watched some YouTube videos.
Don't touch the back either.
I watched some YouTube videos.
Shave the sides. Listen, shave the sides. You're not listening.
He's almost like having
I'm gonna cut my own hair.
Would you like a lollipop?
No, I don't want to cut my hair now.
They give the lollipops to, you know what? We'll start small. How about this?
I told you what to do.
Your ears. We'll do ears first.
You're still not listening.
I'm gonna give him a lollipop like they do the kids. And maybe, I know what I wish I had one of those little like ride-on bouncy toys that I could sit him in. Because then he would stop talking. No, wow, no wonder you haven't been listening lately. Half of your hair is in your ears.
No. It's all the garbage you spew. Clogs me up.
Would you like a gummy bear?
I'm gonna give you a diabetic one.
Anything
you're never
to stop
gonna
you
know.
from talking.
And you're never gonna know it.
Why don't you count to 100 in your mind? When's the last time you gave that a try?
Oh.
You're fine. Nobody's hurting you. Easy. One ear down, and that looks great. Now show them the ear that's not done yet. Look at the hair in those ears. Holy caramba. Okay.
I don't know how I feel about it.
We're on ear number 2.
I feel like they said putting it on an angle, or are you just jabbing it? Yo, Mike Tyson!
Like I said, folks, it might be easier if I had a toddler in the chair.
You know, this is all avoidable if you just let me shave my head. Just remember that.
He looks so happy. And now what I want to do is I want to take off some of the thickness that we have going on here.
So, no, don't touch the back. Shave the sides. Leave the party end alone.
I have to take off
Because I like
some of
when
those.
I like it when I. What are you doing? Hey.
Okay. Excuse me. Just relax. No sudden movements.
How come you're not going this way? You're just shaving the sides.
Well, I saw on a YouTube video that you have to take off some of the thick. And then I can go in there with my scissors. So I'm
Why are you touching the back?
Well, I have to take off some of the bulk.
Don't touch the back.
I'm just taking off bulk.
Stop. Stop. The sides. What's so hard about that? Shave the sides. What is the side of my head?
No. You still got. Feel this. Put your hand back there.
I don't want it.
Look at all this. But you like having. Feel this side. Feel. And then feel your party. That's what you want, right? Business on the sides, party in the back.
As deep as I can go, but I'll settle for this instead. I'm gonna end up dying in my driveway.
Yeah, what I'm gonna ask if you could do, if I wanna be able to see you head on so I can see what everybody else is looking at. Here we go. He has, see all his head down, honey? See all that? See, he still has his party, but he'll have some cool relief on the sides, which is what he was looking for.
Did you nick the side of my head?
Now, I've gotten the sides. Feel them. How's that feel to you? And you like how you feel? Bring him a tiny bit. Now, I just want to emphasize, this isn't necessarily how I would want to do it, but it's his hair. Just like he doesn't tell me what to do with mine, this is his hair. So, if this is what he wants, if this is going to make him feel comfortable, this is what we're going to do. All right, now, so basically he has all of his hair here, but we just, made it, cut off the split ends to make it healthy. He's all trimmed up around this area here. He's got his business on the sides like he wanted. And now within the back there, I know we're not touching the mullet. Can we lift the mullet to just do your neck?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to check with you. I want to check with you first. So I'm lifting up the mullet just to get under his neck, because that might add some cool relief as well. Okay. And you know what? I'm gonna I'll bring you guys with me. I'll take you guys around so you can see that we're not touching the mullet in the back. We are just lifting it, and we're just gonna provide him some cool, he's got real naturally curly hair, as you can see. I wish, I always wanted curly hair. I'm lifting up his hair. I don't want to take off the party. Now what I would recommend, which I know he's not gonna go for, but if you're doing this yourself from what I saw in the videos, just like you saw me do at the front, if you were doing this on your own, I saw that it was always good to trim off this dead hair right here because otherwise you're keeping on split ends. But he's not gonna go for that, but
Guys, care about split ends.
well, that's how your hair keeps growing
A
longer.
couple of old videos and you never spoke about putting.
That's how your hair keeps growing healthier and longer.
Well, maybe I don't want my mouth to grow any longer than it already is.
Well, there's something we'll both agree on, that's for sure. He shared that he wants to go a little bit shorter on the sides, which
What did I say for like the 30th,
that could,
100th?
but here's the thing.
100th?
I was hesitant to go short on the sides because I can't glue the hair back on. So, anywho, we're gonna go for the beard first and then I'll go shorter on the sides.
This is gonna be painful.
Um,
Because I haven't combed my beard. I tried, it hurt, and I should have kept up with my beard, but I didn't. It's gonna hurt, especially because it's dry.
You'll be fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. As you can tell, he doesn't really keep up on man grooming in general. And he's quite a delicate
Where are we
flower.
going? We weren't going anywhere. All I did was go to work.
Coming home to me, baby. Yeah, you better roll your eyes. Remember who's cutting your hair.
Life couldn't be any worse.
Aw, you're getting so many wisdom hairs. I love it. So wise, so distinguished. See? I don't hurt you. Nice and slow. See, you just tear through your beard. That's why it hurts. Nice and slow. Here we go. Nice and slow. It's funny, he has little patches of his beard that even through COVID, when I thought like his beard was growing out, we thought like the little patches would grow in. Nope. He has certain parts that will and will not grow. It just is what it is. See? How about neck up? This is all gonna come off underneath today. That's probably not gonna be a pleasant experience, I'm sure. Don't worry, he'll let you know. As you can see, he's quite vocal. Not exactly your #1 client. He's not getting a lollipop on his way out. Now this is another first for me. I have never trimmed down his beard. Quite a few firsts happening right now.
So what do you guys think? You want to grab the camera? Do the song check? What do you think? I can't see if I'm going.
Why are you doing that?
We gotta do the end. We never did the end.
Help us all. Okay. Next all.
So I can't see. See
Done.
What did you take out of the back? Remember when I was
I just cut off the loose ends. Just cut off the loose ends so that you didn't look like a train wreck. Okay, he wanted the side shaved down. Oh, we're getting a little close there. A little close. Shave down, taper down these sides. Look at that fresh cut right there. Cut him down on the front.
Oh, speaking of cutting, what about my neck? When you cut my neck?
I didn't cut his neck. He
Yes,
has
you
an
did.
ingrown hair. We put some lavender on it so that he can stop complaining about that.
I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I wish I would have kept the beard a little bit longer. But it's used. I'm used to, what is it? Almost 5-6 months.
His
I had long
his hair grows in fast
I'm
though.
used to having hair per se. Look, got a spot right here. Got a touch on.
Good thing your barber lives with you.
Yeah, I know.
The perks of an in-house barber.
So like I said, guys, this might be the normal for a little bit now. Like I said, our barber's opening back up, but it's just not fun. It's just not enjoyable. I feel like when I go to the barber shop, I should enjoy myself, and the way, you know, they're doing it, which I respect and understand, it's just not enjoyable for me. So you have no choice. You better get good at it. And this will be the only haircut vlog. We're not doing another one. I can't take this kind of stress. All right, guys. So
Look at that side angle.
I know, right? We can't even,
Bam.
you know, like, you know, you should say if you find this video helpful, there is no helpful. It's like I say, you know what, guys? If you guys found this video entertaining, you know what? This is helpful, right? If you
If you need a haircut, bring a mask.
I know, right? You know what? If you guys found this
$30.
video helpful, turn that frown upside down, or you know, whatever. I don't know. I don't know how to. I don't even.
I have my own barber cape and now tools.
I don't know how to end this. Oh, that's right. Father's Day giveaway. That's your giveaway, right? We just gave away the. Not my choice. She did this.
Oh, here we go. Allow the complaining to begin.
Congratulations to our winner. Its own Grim Reaper. $50
Yay.
cash. Gas can. Remember, you guys got 7 days to get back to us with an address. If not,
Thank you
we
for
will
your
go-
support and
we will
entering.
go back into the bowl and grab another one. Okay. Now, go ahead. What are you doing? Your giveaway.
Okay.
Am I within you?
I got this. I
You got this? Okay.
Okay, so the new giveaway is going to be our Father's Day giveaway, which is going to start today, and it's going to end on July 18th. You need to either comment or watch the lives from now until July 18th, and then you can get additional 2 entries if you comment either during the lives or in the comments section when you watch the replay, telling us either who inspired you to get into small engines or who inspired you to get into any type of side work. Anything that's bringing an additional income into your family. It takes extra hard work to do so. So whatever your grind is, whatever your little side hustle is, who inspired you? When did you get started? How did you get started? And you will get a $25 Amazon gift card for you and a $25 Amazon gift card to give to the person who inspired you. Now, if that person who inspired you is no longer with you or around you or for you able to give to, you will get the total $50 Amazon gift card just for you. So again, win-win. Everybody loves Amazon. Make sure you enter. Again, if you missed the actual live, make sure you comment in the comment area in the replay. And if you then also tell us your story, it's an additional 2 entries. You gotta be in it to win it. Anything else you'd like to say?
Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.